Okay, we're going.
Okay, so this is the physical rig that we made. First of all, this is acrylic plastic that we laser cut. And then underneath here on the sides are the Picatinny rails that we mounted on. So you got the connect here, and then we just screw it directly into the acrylic. And then the beagle board's here on standoff, so that lets airflow underneath, keep it from getting too hot. So we're just gonna go through the cables that we got here. So to communicate from the beagle board to the robot, we're just using Ethernet. And then here's our HDMI cable, which runs back to our monitor, so you can actually see what we're doing. And then real quick, we got a bunch of power cables on here. So 5 volts powering the beagle board, that comes back out here, goes to an auxiliary power supply off the robot. Similarly, the 12 volts that goes to power the Connect is also running off auxiliary power from the robot. And then something interesting that we did, you can see here, is we basically just took the standard Connect cable, cut it off, and put a female adapter on there, and then added male adapters to our different power supplies. That way we can switch between running it off of our auxiliary power supply, or when we're just testing it on a computer, we can quick swap it out and run it off the power on just right out of the wall socket. So that's pretty much everything we have here. This is our third mount that we've made, and each one's getting better and better, so the next one probably won't be all zip tied together and everything.
And so the USB devices we have plugged in are USB for the Connect. There's a USB device that is, this is the keyboard, this is the Connect, and this is actually a wireless receiver for a Logitech joystick that we will be using, not to steer the robot, but just as a kill switch, in case we need to stop the robot in an emergency, or to have the robot sit and pause code execution, then stand and resume execution.